Welcome to Traveling Rocks. Today I will show you my first accommodation in Norway, and that one is a Vestby Park. Total distance from Copenhagen to Vestby Park is at 524 kilometer. Accommodation 20 highway, you just simply come here within 1 minute distance from the highway. This is the really nice accommodation. We pay here entire villa around 1800 Danish krona, and here is the reception. I will show you. Yeah. Excuse me, I have one question. After checkout we need to put a key here, right? Accommodation price is a 5 adult and 2 children. Cost is a 1801 Danish krona. This property is a especially for the camping. Caravan is also here. Tent area is available, and here it's beautiful, very near to the highway. Just only one disadvantage: the accommodation, all the houses color is a black, so here is too much hot, which we are living in there. So first day is the 10th of July and temperature is a 34 to. So we are exit from the cottage. So front of the cottage from the outside the hotel. Here bunch of EV charging station is available, and the ESSO, the petrol pump, there is available. Milk is also available, so you can go and purchase some milk as well. So it's really nice. Now I will show you the accommodation, which types of accommodation, and I will give you little tour as well. 38 degrees Celsius, it's too hot. One of the disadvantage of this accommodation, inside the room they are not provided good. So here is the reception and my room is there, so very near of the room, and at the end of the video I will show you the room as well. Ventilation and not clean, especially on the kitchen, so we are receiving some smell, but after 1.5 hours we open everything and then smell is gone, and we stay here around evening 5 o'clock to morning 8 o'clock. This is the accommodation. So many people are coming here. It's like a one building, 4 apartment is this. So yeah, so you can very easily get this accommodation as well via online. And little puppies. Here camping area is also available. This is the camping plus cottages plus villas plus youth hostel, the combination, and this one is a very huge. Vestby Park, and there is one big hall is also available, but I don't know what's going on this one. Here place is really nice, but just yesterday night lot of temperature is really high, so I personally am not able to sleep properly. So many cottages are available here. Look at this side, entire cottages is this, and here camping area is available there, so you can bring your own tent. And here the personal cottages, those one. So yeah, and now I go back again, and front of it's very near, like a 2 to 3 minute by car you can go to the like a nearest shopping center, and McDonald's is opposite side of the road, is also available. one will be nice. So those are the cottages. Here is the big hall. Some camper van place is also available here to replace the water, fill the water, electricity, so such thing. So no, McDonald's is here only, not opposite side the road. So this is the reception and very near to McDonald's. From that side I will show you. Here is also some cottages and there is the McDonald's. It's walking distance only 1 minute from the reception. Now here is my apartment. Now I will show you which types of room we are receiving. The price is around $280. So from the here, and each floor 2 apartment is this. So fresh flowers.
हो नाही वापरता मी ठेवा.
मैं करूँ क्या? So I will show you. Here is the room. Clean किए मैंने. और ये है वॉशरूम, छोटा सा है 7 लोगों के लिए, बट है वॉशरूम अच्छा. यहाँ पर 2 लोग हैं. ये हमारे सेकंड ड्राइवर ट्रिप के. The bunk bed. So such a bunk bed we are receiving here. Very clean. This one. And here is the family bunk bed. It's a huge one. And this is the one person. So my wife and my son is sleeping here as a small babies. And, yeah. And this is the main living area, huge one. Here is the kitchen. Kitchen is tiny, but yeah, and the fridge. See the fridge. So here is the small dining, 5 chairs. Here's the sofa. So yes. So first accommodation. सत्ताईस है नो. हाँ
यहाँ पे टीवी नहीं लगती.
एक तो दो
ये है हॉल. यहाँ पर एक डाइनिंग किचन भी है जहाँ आप खाना बना सकते हो. और ये टैप वाटर भी है. परफेक्ट. ये फ्रिज है फ्रीज भी है, आप फ्रीज में पूरी चीज़ें रख सकते हो। टाइनी टीवी है और परफेक्ट। और ये बंक बेड है, यहाँ 2 बेड हैं, 4 और ये 2 हैं, 5। चांगलं आहे, ठीक आहे।
इधर है ना, बहुत है। एक, दो, तीन,
पण इथं
क्या बात है?